Yung tipong pag day off mo, siya ang una mong naiisip. Tapos pag niyaya ka niya kahit puyat ka, papayag ka kasi siya yun eh. Masaya sana magmahal ng sobra-sobra eh, no? Pero nakakalungkot, pag ang nakukuha mo pabalik ay tira-tira lang. Ang susunod na kanta namin ay para sa mga taong laging nagiging good option, pero kahit anong gawin, never ka naging first choice. Yung alam mo, kasama ka sa pila, pero never ka napipili na una. Pero pag broken-hearted na siya, bigla ka niyang maaalala. At marahil, naghahanap ka rin ng pagkakataon na sabihin sa kanya, alam mo, kung ako lang ang pipiliin mo, hindi ka masasaktan ng ganyan. Ako.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got. It was
Ito lang. Ito lang.
Hindi kami makakagala, sir.
Lalabas na siya.
Lalabas na.
Sir, sakali baka mapwede kayo, sir. Meron tayo siya sa tabi ng ligo.
Sige, sir.
Wag
Susunod
na,
na namin
wag na,
inabutan
baka
ng oras,
yun
eh.
yung ano niya.
Thank you.
Souvenir lang dito.
Bibili ba? Souvenir mo. Magkano rin kasi ito?
Please nagsabi siya na meron ng ano. Allowance. Okay.
Pero,
Sayang. Sayang din. Dito may
Wow.
horse.
horse pack yan.
Sakay ng Lutin Horse yati
Ate
Joy.
Ah,
And
pwede ka
horse.
din magkuhan.
Nanargaliwat.
White horse nga ni.
Ano na ba yung umuwi na? Wala na kasi sasabihin. Ikaw umuwi na.
Ay.
Tapos na.
Wala pang.
Wala bang?
Uwi na.
Ayun ba yung pagayo?
Ay, kabaya.
O, 2 minutes lang tayo.
Ay, sana si...
Dandil na si sir.
Kapalik ka namin. Sabi naman ni sir. Apo, 15 minutes na po eh. 2 minutes pa lang.
2 minutes pa lang.
Babalik ako?